court. It is now in session. Today's witnesses are the people versus Keanu. Keanu, how do you plead?
I plead not guilty.
Read the charges, Your Honor.
Keanu, you are charged of terrorism, massive troublemaking, and more. Any witnesses to call?
I remember that Keanu not only caused a lot of chaos all over the world, but the bombing attack also killed Agnes. And speaking of her, she is injured and have to be rushed to the hospital for a 24-hour surgery. And I say that we don't need Keanu.
I got report messages saying that Keanu was causing vandalism and major destruction in school and almost literally killed everyone. Like a serious man. He must be expelled from all schools he's in. However, Keanu was removed from the last school he was in.
Keanu was a very bad player of mine. He acts up in Vyond Minigames by messing up their players' donut making and being disruptive to them, and he assaulted the tour guide who was guiding the players in his team, the Chocolate Factory. Good thing we banned him from playing minigames for good.
Alright, call off your first witness. Alright. We have reached the verdict of the people versus Keanu. So, what's your verdict?
Guilty.
Guilty. Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty.
Guilty. Guilty.
Keanu, you have been found guilty of terrorism, massive troublemaking, and more. You will be sentenced to execution after your life in prison is over. Guards, take him away.
Is there any last words?
Yes, I would like to say goodbye to my girlfriend I made in school days ago.
Alright, that's all I want to hear. Goodbye, Keanu. He's dead.
Holy snap! I'm in hell.
That's right. You was sent here because of all the troublemaking you caused. Now prepare to die, you son of a gun.